Affiliate marketing is all about picking up a product and promoting it and then earning commissions. Now what if I tell you, with the same time, with the same efforts, but with selecting the correct products that pays you a recurring commission, you can earn up to 10 times more money in affiliate marketing. So many of you must be curious about what is recurring commission. So in a recurring commission affiliate program, you keep on receiving commission for as long as your referral is a customer. For example, you refer a person to the affiliate program and that person has signed up for that program in January. And if that person decides to buy a monthly subscription, then you will receive a commission for January and every upcoming month as long as that person keeps on renewing his subscription. This means you only pull in the referral for the program once while you keep on receiving commission every month. This is one of the best affiliate marketing models because you as an affiliate marketer attract customers only once and they continue to use the service and pay for it every month. Now I want to share with you top 5 affiliate marketing products that you can select to earn more money, and not only that, these products are so simple to join. Anyone can join from any country. You don't need to request for approval. You don't need anything. Just sign up and start promoting and you will get to see awesome results. So before we start, this is Manoj here and welcome to the channel where I make videos on tips and tricks and the best ways on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever new video is up. Now let's get started. So let's now move on to the product number 1. Number 1 is a Fiverr, which is a freelance service providing platform. If you go to the affiliate program in Fiverr and if you scroll down here, you can see we can choose different commission plans. They have different options for us, which I will explain in a minute. They have dynamic CPA plan which pays up to $150 and they have $10 CPA plan with 10% revenue share. So with this one, you will get 10% commission every time someone buys something from Fiverr. There are also pros and cons to each one and I will explain everything in a minute. So we can join as an affiliate, we can promote Fiverr and we can start earning. Now if you go and look at the commission plan here so that we can understand how we are going to make money. So as I said, here they have different commission plans. So they have got Fiverr CPA plan which will pay between $15 and $150 depending on what products you can get somebody to buy. So this is going to be a first time purchase to Fiverr and they will pay you between $15 and $150 when somebody goes and buys something from Fiverr after clicking on your link. You have also got the Fiverr hybrid plan which will pay you 10% when someone buys something from Fiverr and 10% of all of their purchases that they go and make on the website within the 12 months. Then you have got the Fiverr business plan which we are not going to get into today. So if you scroll down here, this is the one we are going to promote and it's going to be the Fiverr CPA commission, so you can promote these products here. Let's say for example, you get somebody to buy a whiteboard and explainer video, you are going to earn $50 in commissions for that, just for one single purchase. The same with ebook writing, game development, and then down here we have got really popular categories like WordPress, we have got website builders, and we have even got logo makers for $30 packaging, design websites, content writing and translation. A lot of people are buying writing content on Fiverr. It's really a generous affiliate program that will pay you out pretty good amount if you can get someone to go and buy this stuff from Fiverr. And even if they don't buy any of these categories, you are still going to get $15 if they buy different categories outside of these ones here. What you need to do is, you need to go and join the Fiverr affiliate program by clicking join now. And the good thing about Fiverr affiliate program is they don't actually have a special approval process so that you can get approved easily. You can just make an account straight away and you can join as an affiliate. Now let's move on to the product number 2 and that is Systeme.io. Systeme.io is one of the top services in creating sales funnels on our planet. It gives you the opportunity to earn 40% monthly recurring commissions. This software is very powerful to create a sales funnels and it costs around $47 for the basic plan, so you can earn at least $19 recurring commission every month per customer. As an example, you can create a video about it on YouTube, maybe a guide on your blog, maybe you can answer question on Quora about Systeme.io and mention affiliate links and so on. In my opinion, it is one of the best way to do affiliate marketing. So once again, it's a software that's going to help you create landing pages, websites and funnels. So that I highly recommend you to choose this one. Now let's move on to the number 3 and that is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is simply a tool to help YouTubers to grow their YouTube channels, and what's nice about TubeBuddy is it gives you up to 50% recurring commissions. This is a perfect program for beginners. You can go down, it's 100% free to join, nothing is required. You can join from any country you want. Just sign up in 1 minute and start promoting TubeBuddy to earn commissions with affiliate marketing. So moving on to the number 4 is a ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that's going to help you build landing pages and websites. This is also great for business people or people interested in selling stuff online. There is a free trial available for the software itself, which is great because you can use that to get people into the door and then later on they will upgrade. Now as you can see, this is a monthly recurring commission affiliate program, so you can earn up to 40% monthly recurring commissions, meaning that once you have got people that sign up using your link, you will keep making money from them, from that specific sign up, as long as they keep using platform. That is really great. Now apart from those recurring commissions, you can also receive 100% commission for the sale of one funnel away challenge and any 30-day challenge. Now apart from this, you can earn a lot of recurring commissions so that you can keep making money every single month from the same people. Let's now move on to the number 5. Our last product for today is vidIQ. vidIQ is again another tool to help YouTubers grow their YouTube channels, and what's nice about vidIQ, it gives you up to 25% recurring commission. This is the perfect tool for anyone who is having a YouTube channel, so it is easy to convert. You can go down, it's 100% free to join. From any country you want, nothing is required, just sign up in a minute and start promoting vidIQ to earn commission with affiliate marketing. So those are the best recurring commission program that I am actually doing right now. So I am either promoting them right now or I have promoted them in the past. Now if you want to know how to make money online, some of the best strategies to make money online, I will leave my favorite methods below in a description. You can go and check those out. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description below. Click on that right now and throw your name and email address, and I will send you over all the details into your email inbox. And they will take you through to my training that show you exactly how you can make money online, my favorite methods. Although if you want some free methods, that's not a problem. I will take you through the step by step to start your own online business. And if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now. And if you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section. Check the link for the free affiliate marketing training in the description box, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever new video is up. And that brings me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.